Hey, what's up everyone? So today I have a Yamaha RX-740 and as you can see it powers on but immediately powers off, so I'm suspecting it's also going to protect mode just like the Denon. Alright, so here's the inside. Nothing immediately jumps out as being damaged, so all the caps, they look fine. I'm not seeing any blown transistors or anything. So I think first thing I'm going to check is the voltage supplies. So this one's pretty sweet. All the regulators are all set up here, so just need to take off this little tab and we should be able to check all the voltage rails. Alright, so first one here on the left is a 7912, so let's see. And there we have minus 12 volts. So this one here is a 7812. And there's our plus 12 volts. Negative 5 volts. This one here is a 7805. And this one's not giving us much. So this last one here is a 7805 as well. And there we have it, plus 5 volts. So let's see if this regulator is getting any input voltage. Yeah, so we're getting 11 volts on the input, yet nothing on the output. Alright, so let's try and see if we can get this board out so we can pop that regulator out. Alright, so I've replaced the regulator that was giving us issues, so let's see if that fixed our problem. And I think it might have. So I'll plug some speakers in and see if everything works. Alright, let's see if we get some sound out of this. So yep, everything works. So it's literally just a $1 component and everything's back working again. So I hope this helped anyone that had a similar issue, and see you in the next one.